If you want to develop bulletproof shoulders and make sure that you almost never get injured and also offset all those pressing movements that you're doing with your bench pressing, your shoulder pressing, then you need to master the external rotation pattern to build seriously strong rotator cuffs. Stick around, I'm going to teach you how to get started.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use the lying external rotation from the hip at the start of the UMS journey for many reasons. But number one is that when training the external rotation movement, one of the biggest mistakes people make is that they move their shoulder around and their elbow around whilst we're doing it. It's totally incorrect. The external rotation pattern, it should be an isolated movement pattern. And by fixing the elbow to the side, retracting the shoulder like we do here, you can really learn to isolate the external rotation pattern so that you train the external rotators of the rotator cuff effectively. Now this is very, very important because the rotator cuff is very active during pressing movements. And if you don't do a near one-to-one ratio of bench pressing and external rotation, you're going to run into shoulder problems down the track. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to teach you the 3 coaching cues that are going to take your rotator cuff training to the next level.
Lying external rotation from the hip. We use this in the UMS to allow you to feel a correct external rotation pattern with the elbow fixed against the body to minimize unnecessary movement that detracts from the exercise. This prepares you for much more challenging progressions of the external rotation pattern coming in later phases of the UMS. Set up by laying down, resting the elbow on the hip slightly towards the anterior side of the pelvis and retract the scapula. The end ranges of this movement are when you cannot externally rotate anymore without twisting your body, and when you cannot internally rotate anymore without moving your arm from the setup position. This means that if your elbow lifts off your hip at all, as you internally rotate, you have gone too far. Once set up, the 3 cues to think of whilst training are: brace by retracting your scapula, keep the elbow fixed in one place, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.